Should I get a second opinion if my acne treatment is not working? That's the question that we're going to talk about today. Welcome, I'm Dr. Arthur Kolsky, founder and medical director of Advanced Acne Institute. We're an acne-only dermatology practice, so we specialize only in the treatment of acne, and we like to share some of our insights and some of our observations with acne sufferers who are trying to navigate the path toward clear skin. So we hope you find this information useful, but this is not meant to be medical advice. So today we're going to talk about the idea of a second opinion. So this is very common in the world of acne treatment because we see lots of patients who have been to other specialists and they haven't gotten better and they come to see us for another opinion. Now, there's nothing wrong with having a second opinion, and that goes for any type of doctor visit, for any particular condition. If you don't feel comfortable with what your doctor is recommending, it doesn't mean that it's wrong. It just means that maybe you want to have some reassurance and you want to talk to another specialist and get a second look and get a second opinion. There's nothing wrong with that. And any doctor would welcome that. No doctor is going to feel upset that you decided to have a second opinion. They would welcome you to explore all the options with whatever specialist you feel comfortable with. So the same is true for acne. If you feel that the medicines that you're using or the treatment plan that you've been assigned is not really helping you, or you feel that there might be something more to look at, or if you have a suspicion that there's something else going on, then there's no harm in getting a second opinion. And the other doctor will typically evaluate your condition just like the first doctor did and recommend a treatment plan from that point. And sometimes the treatment plan might be the same thing that you were recommended the first time, or it might be something a little bit different, or it might be completely different. So there's no harm in looking for other opinions. And sometimes you just don't connect with a particular doctor. There's no guarantee that you're gonna like the doctor that you saw or the medical specialist that you saw, and maybe you'll connect on a personal level with another specialist, and you just might feel more comfortable that way. And that might help your treatment as well, because feeling comfortable and confidence in your medical provider is a very important factor when you're trying to get better, because it makes you feel more confident and it gives you more of a feeling of reassurance that can also help you to stay the course and be consistent with your treatment. And that can help a lot, especially in acne, that requires consistency with whatever treatment we use. So there's no harm in getting a second opinion. It doesn't mean that you have to do that. You may feel very comfortable with the initial doctor that you saw, and the initial doctor may be the right one for you and might be recommending all the right things for you. So there's no reason that you should just always go and seek a second opinion if you don't need to. But sometimes it can be helpful if you have some insecurity about your current treatment plan, or if you just want to feel comfortable that you're on the right track. So there's no harm in that, but it doesn't mean that you have to do that every time.